Hello, my loving people. Welcome to today's episode. Today I am going to prepare capsicum rice. Come on, let's get started. Hing, sliced onions and green chilies, grated dry coconut, capsicum, ginger garlic paste, curry leaves, salt, turmeric powder, boiled rice. Here dry red chilies, coriander seeds, white urad dal, chana dal and cumin seeds. Take a frying pan and add dry red chilies, cumin seeds, white urad dal, coriander seeds and chana dal. Stir it once and fry it on a low flame. Once this mixture gets cool, now transfer this into a blender. Once it's done, now transfer this powder into a plate. Now take a frying pan and add oil in it. Once oil get heated, now add ginger garlic paste and fry it on a low flame. Once raw flavor was gone, now add turmeric powder, add mustard seeds, add cumin seeds, add white urad dal and stir it once. Now add curry leaves, add sliced onions and green chilies, combine everything, once onion get transparent, now add capsicum pieces, mix it everything. Now add required amount of salt and combine everything. on a high flame. Now add grated dry coconut. Mix it everything. Add pinch of hing, but it's optional. Add spice mix. Mix it once. To mix everything, add little bit of water. Now add boiled rice. And slowly combine everything. Now capsicum rice was ready. Now switch off the flame and transfer this into a serving bowl. Here now I am transferring into a serving bowl. I can suggest this recipe for the bachelors. It's very easy to prepare.